And when the good food ran out, they turned to what we now call famine foods. These are the foods of last resort. The things nobody eats unless they have to, because they're tough or bitter or barely nutritious, or require enormous effort to make edible. But they're the difference between starving and surviving. And the famine foods our ancestors relied on are genuinely remarkable. Take tree bark. It sounds absurd, like the very definition of having nothing to eat. But the inner bark of certain trees, the soft layer called the cambium, just beneath the rough outer bark, is actually edible. It contains carbohydrates and nutrients, and it can be dried, ground into a powder, and mixed with other ingredients to make a kind of crude flour or bread. This wasn't just a desperate prehistoric trick either. In parts of Scandinavia, people made bark bread from tree cambium during hard times well into recorded history. In fact, some indigenous peoples of North America were known to certain neighbors, somewhat mockingly, as the eaters of trees, precisely because they would turn to tree bark to survive the harshest winters, when nothing else was left. When the animals are gone and the ground is frozen, the trees themselves become food.